Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legally Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hey friends, in today's video, we are going to talk about definition of tortious liability. The English term tort has been derived from the Latin word tortis, meaning crooked, twisted or incorrect. In law, a tort is a civil wrong. Thus, the main focus of tort law is the payment of damages or compensation for civil wrongs that occur as a result of the actions or inactions of another. The violation of a legal obligation results in the civil wrong. For example, one has the responsibility to refrain from assaulting another person, entering another's property without permission, stealing their possessions and watching out for their well-being. Some obligations are outlined in law, while others are covered by common law. When a tort is highlighted as a civil wrong, it is distinguished from a crime. Coming to the definitions of torts. Salmon defined torts as a civil wrong for which the remedy is common law action for unliquidated damages and which is not exclusively the breach of contract or the breach of trust or other merely equitable obligation. And Winfield defined it as tortious liability arises from the breach of a duty primarily fixed by law. This duty is towards persons generally and its breach is repressible by an action for unliquidated damages. Coming to the differences between crime and tort. A crime is a breach of a legal obligation similar to a tort. But a crime, on the other hand, is regarded as a community wrong, unlike a tort. Therefore, a victim of a crime typically does not have a specific claim to compensation. Instead, it entails the community imposing punishment on the wrongdoer. Therefore, the main focus of criminal law is to hold a wrongdoer accountable for their actions. The goal of tort law, on the other hand, is to fairly compensate those who have been harmed or whose property has been damaged due to someone else's negligence. Talking about the differences between a tort and a contract, there are two main differences between tort and contract. First, in a contract, the parties with their free consent undertake to perform certain duties, while in tort, the duties are imposed by law. Second, in a contract, the contracting parties owe a duty to each other only. A duty not to commit a tort is owed to persons generally and not to any particular individual. Talking about the essentials of a tort, there are two essentials to commit a tort: act or omission and legal damage. Act or omission is to make a person liable in tort. He must have committed some act or omitted the act in the performance of his legal duty. For example, entering someone's property without any justification or defaming a person of his reputation. These acts result in torts of trespass and defamation. Second is legal damage. The plaintiff must prove a legal damage or an injury in order to be successful in an action for tort. There are two types of damages: injuria sine damnum and damnum sine injuria. Injuria sine damnum means injury without a damage. Here, the legal right of the plaintiff is violated, but there are no other damages. This is actionable. Second, damnum sine injuria. This means damage without an injury. The legal right of the plaintiff is not violated here, but the damages are caused. Since there is no infringement of legal rights, there lies no action. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalatrust.in. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates about various law-related educational videos. Thank you for watching us and have a good day.